What's up everyone, Cassie Man here, and today we're going to determine whether the 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro is still worth it in 2022. Let's get into it. Being the first of the Apple Silicon line, the M1 chip has made history in computer performance, especially when compared to price. Specs on this chip include an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 8-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The base model has 8 GB of unified memory, which can be upgraded to 16 GB, and you can configure the storage between 256 GB and 2 TB. It has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports on the left side and a headphone jack on the right side, and still features that very controversial touch bar. But now with the M1 Pro and the M1 Max chip available, should you buy the base M1 in 2022? Well, it depends on your needs. The 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro that I'm currently using is definitely powerful. It has an amazing battery life, is super fast, and is perfect for on-the-go day-to-day work. I recently switched from this computer to this computer to see if a laptop that is half the price of my 2019 Intel MacBook Pro performs better or worse. And so far so good. Although video editing can be a little bit frustrating, this laptop rarely struggles with performance issues. Now, I can't do something like stream and watch videos at the same time, or stream and edit videos at the same time, or stream and do music production at the same time. It constantly is telling me that there is an encoder overload in OBS if I do that, and it's just not good. But that's okay, because I don't plan on streaming on this laptop for much longer. By the way, if you don't know, I stream on Twitch every Saturday, and usually once or twice during the week. Come say hello in the chat, link is down below, twitch.tv/CassLman. Did you hear that? No? Okay. Exactly. This thing is quiet, not silent, but the temperatures of this chip stay relatively low, especially compared to the i9 in my other MacBook. Now, I do manually control the fans from a third-party software, especially while I'm streaming, because you can definitely see performance tanks if the temperatures get too high. So it's not like what most people have said about this laptop before. It's not silent. The fans do run. There is one in there, but it is very, very quiet. Natively, without a third-party software, the fans rarely turn on. The only times that I've ever had them turn on in those situations are when I was doing something like exporting a video or streaming. Where I do find this laptop is lacking is in memory performance. Even with the upgraded 16 GB of unified memory, this computer still struggles to render or play back certain video codecs and is always maxed out. Now, I'm the kind of person who likes to multitask a lot. I'll usually have a couple of YouTube tabs open at a time, be editing in Final Cut Pro, be talking on Discord, or have OBS open or something. I'm always doing multiple things on my laptop, so maybe the 16 GB just isn't enough for me, but I wish I had the option to upgrade that when I bought the laptop. Another thing to note is this MacBook is only capable of one external display. So if you like to keep your laptop off to the side or in clamshell mode and have multiple displays on your desk, this laptop isn't for you. Now, the price? It is so right. When this MacBook was released, it felt like the first time in a very long time that an Apple product was not only more affordable for people, but was actually worth what you were paying for it. At the time of recording this video, you can currently get the base model of this laptop for $16.99 Canadian. Now, if you get the 2 TB of max storage and the 16 GB max memory, this is gonna cost you just under 3,000 Canadian. So it's up to you if it's worth getting. If you're looking to be doing a lot of multitasking or things like video editing, music production, streaming, etc., and you can afford the M1 Pro or the M1 Max, do that. I personally don't have one of those laptops right now, but from what I've heard and seen about it, that thing's incredible. If you're looking for something that's a little more budget friendly but still packs in performance, has an amazing battery life, has a super small form factor, and is essentially quiet, this laptop is a viable option for many people. Well, that's all I have for you today, folks. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. It's free for you and it really helps my channel out a lot. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year so I can start monetizing on my videos. I put a lot of work into these and I would love to be able to earn something from them. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite Apple product is that's out right now, or what you're looking forward to at the next Apple event. For me personally, I'm looking forward to when the Max lineup is available in the Mac Mini. Alright, if you don't know what to watch next, you should watch this video that I made on the Apple AirTag. It's by far one of the best tracking devices that are available right now and relatively cheap. Alright, links are down below, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.